Have you ever thought about how we take care of our teeth daily but often neglect the most important part of our mind, the thoughts we allow to linger and control our actions? Just like we use mouthwash to cleanse and refresh our mouths, what if we could mouthwash our minds? What if there was a way to rinse out the negativity, the doubts, the self-criticism, and replace it with positivity, hope, and confidence? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to mouthwash your mind, cleanse negative thoughts, and start speaking positivity into your life. Before we dive in, take a deep breath. This journey is about reflection, transformation, and renewing the way we think. And by the end of this video, you'll have practical tips, real-life experiences, and research-backed strategies to help you reset your mind and live with more intention and positivity. Let's get started. Our minds are incredibly powerful. The thoughts we think daily shape our perception of the world, and more importantly, they shape how we perceive ourselves. Research in psychology shows that our self-talk, the constant conversation we have in our minds, directly affects our emotions and behavior. According to a study published in Psychological Science, people with positive self-talk are more likely to experience greater emotional well-being, resilience, and success. But here's the thing. The mind is like a sponge. It absorbs everything, both good and bad. Think of it this way: if you're constantly absorbing negative thoughts, self-doubt, or the toxic opinions of others, over time, those thoughts will start to reflect in how you speak to yourself. And just like when you clean your mouth, it's time to start cleaning out your mind. We need to rinse out that negativity and make room for positive, empowering thoughts. Negative thoughts are more than just fleeting moments of doubt. They can become a part of who we are. Studies show that persistent negative thinking can lead to issues like anxiety, depression, and even physical health problems. According to a study published by Harvard Medical School, chronic stress and negativity can weaken your immune system and increase the risk of heart disease. Think of negative thoughts like weeds in a garden. If you let them grow unchecked, they take up space, suffocate the flowers, and prevent any real growth. But just like we tend to our gardens, we need to tend to our minds, uprooting these weeds and planting seeds of positivity and self-empowerment. Let me tell you about a time when I was stuck in a cycle of negativity. I was constantly comparing myself to others, whether it was at work or in my personal life. I would wake up every morning with thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be as successful as them." And let me tell you, it was exhausting. I felt like I was carrying this mental baggage every day. It drained my energy, affected my relationships, and honestly, it felt like I was going nowhere. Then one day, I realized something. I was spending so much time focusing on the negative, I wasn't giving myself a chance to grow. It hit me like a revelation. Just like you cleanse your mouth to feel fresh, I needed to mouthwash my mind. I started challenging every negative thought I had, countering it with something positive or realistic. I began speaking more kindly to myself, and gradually, my mindset shifted. I can tell you from experience, it wasn't easy, but it was worth it. So, how can you mouthwash your mind? Here are some powerful steps you can take to cleanse negative thoughts and speak positivity into your life. First, become aware of your thoughts. Start by observing them. Are they mostly negative? Do they involve self-doubt, fear, or comparison? Awareness is the first step to change. Next, challenge negative thoughts. When you catch a negative thought, don't just let it sit there. Challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought based on fact or is it just my fear talking? Then replace it with something constructive. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never succeed," try, "I'm working hard and getting better every day." This reframe makes a world of difference. Third, practice daily affirmations. Positive affirmations are like mouthwash for your mind. Start your day by speaking positivity over yourself. Research from Carnegie Mellon University shows that affirmations can help reduce stress and improve problem-solving skills. Make it a habit to reaffirm your strengths and capabilities. Another step is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most effective ways to shift your mindset. When you focus on what's going right, you naturally cleanse away the focus on what's going wrong. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, big or small. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. The people and media you surround yourself with have a profound effect on your thoughts. Be mindful of the content you consume and the company you keep. Positive influences will reinforce your new, healthier thought patterns. Speaking positivity into your life isn't just a feel-good exercise, it has real measurable benefits. Studies published by the Mayo Clinic show that positive thinking can improve your immune system, increase life expectancy, and even lower the rates of depression. It's like creating a shield around your mind. When negativity tries to creep back in, you'll have the mental strength to resist it. Every positive word you speak is like a drop of mouthwash, cleansing away the bitterness, doubt, and negativity, and leaving behind the freshness of self-belief and optimism. As we wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with this. Just like you wouldn't go a day without cleaning your mouth, don't go a day without mouthwashing your mind. Take a few moments each day to cleanse your thoughts, to let go of the negativity and to speak positivity into your life. The more you practice, the stronger and more resilient your mind will become. Remember, this is a journey, one step, one thought at a time. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more content to help you become the best version of yourself. Together, let's build a community of positive thinkers who inspire and empower one another. Until next time, keep mouthwashing your mind and keep speaking positivity into your life.